Severe thunderstorms hit Paris on Saturday, pelting the French capital with damaging hail and causing chaos. The massive storm, which struck in the afternoon, sent residents and tourists running for cover. The hail was estimated to be as small as marbles, damaging spring flowers and causing some windows to shatter. The hailstorm followed several days of unseasonably warm spring weather, with temperatures hovering in the 70s and 80s. Several videos circulating on social media showed parts of France being affected by the severe weather.
On est en France, il pleut, il pleut, il pleut blanc, il pleut blanc, il pleut blanc, il pleut blanc, il pleut blanc.
France's National Weather Agency attributed the storm surge to a low-pressure system moving through Portugal and France, which helped create a clash of air masses. The alert warned of potentially hazardous weather, including hail, damaging winds and a heat wave, and advised people to remain vigilant and limit travel if possible. The National Weather Agency also issued its second highest level of orange alert for several parts of the country.